That's awesome!
I think I just might want to be a scientist when I grow up.
Science is everywhere.
Stop and try to wonder why.
Science is so cool.
Wow! Awesome move, Maya! I haven't seen you do that one before.
That's because I just finally perfected it. I kept messing it up before, but Miss Collins told me if I worked hard and practiced it over and over, that I would get it. Maybe now I can have the part I wanted in the performance.
And look at those muscles! Wow! It's like ballet is a sport.
It sure is. People who dance for a living are serious athletes. We have to build our muscles just like in any other sport. In fact, Miss Collins teaches us a lot about our skeletal muscular system.
Skeletal muscular system? Is that one of those organ systems you told me about on your birthday?
Yes, it is, Lee. You have a good memory.
I wish I could have big muscles. Can you show me how?
Sure I can. But first, there are some things you should understand about what your bones and muscles do. Can you take a guess at what your bones are for?
I have to have a science lesson before you show me how to get big muscles?
Of course, Lee, because...
Science is everywhere, I know. And all scientists use math. Well, without bones, I guess we would all just be big rolling balls of jelly.
Right. Your bones hold up your body and give it its shape. Suzuki's bones hold up his body and give him a different shape.
And I know something else too. Our skulls keep our brains safe. Don't they, Suzuki? Coach Mailer always tells us to protect our brains.
Right again, Lee. Your skeletal system protects your internal organs. Here's something I bet you didn't know. Your bones also make blood cells.
Really? Blood cells come from bones? You're right, Maya. I would have never guessed that. Cool.
Can you think of another thing that the skeletal system might do?
Maybe help us move around?
Yes. Miss Collins says our skeletal system helps us move when our muscles pull on our bones. I'm sure Coach Mailer would tell you the same thing if you asked him. The muscular system works with the skeletal system. I guess you didn't know that ballet teachers and baseball coaches are scientists, did you, Lee?
Not really. Well, I want to know more about the muscular system. Tell me, what can I do to get stronger?
Okay, little brother. But first it will be helpful to know what muscles do. When you hit a baseball, the muscles pull on the bones in your arms to use the bat to hit. And then they pull on the bones in your legs to help you run around the bases.
Okay, so what can I do to get stronger?
Hang on, I'm not finished. There are other kinds of muscles in your body, like the heart muscle and the smooth muscles on your organs. The heart muscle pumps blood through your body. Can you think of a big difference between your heart muscle and your leg muscles?
Oh, that's easy, Maya. I can control my arms and legs, but my heart beats all by itself, even while I'm sleeping.
Yes, some muscles we control and some work on their own, like the smooth muscles, which help you breathe, move food through your body, and work when you cough or sneeze.
But Maya, how do our muscles actually work? How do they pull on the bones?
Great question. Remember those muscles we control? Our brain sends signals to our muscles, and muscles contract or shorten. Sometimes they work in pairs. When one muscle shortens, the other muscle relaxes. Take your biceps. When your bicep shortens, your triceps, which is in the back of your arm, relaxes. This pulls your lower arm towards your upper arm. Here, to really feel it, try it with this weight.
Now I feel it. That's kind of heavy.
If you practice carefully with weights, your muscles will get stronger.
Awesome. Next time I hit a home run, I will be thinking about my skeletal muscular system in action.
I bet you will, Lee. All great athletes study the science of how our bodies work. Along with their coaches, they work with sports medicine doctors, who are scientists of the body.
I'm going to be a famous baseball player when I grow up. Now, Maya, how about showing me what I can do to build up my leg muscles? Science!
Stop and try to wonder why.